The distributor cap plays a key role in delivering electrical current from the ignition coil to the spark plugs. When it begins to fail, it can disrupt spark timing and engine performance, leading to noticeable drivability problems. Here are the main symptoms of a bad distributor cap. Starting and accelerating problems are common signs of a bad distributor cap or rotor. When the cap is damaged, whether from cracks, moisture or wear, it can cause hard starting, especially in cold weather. Low temperatures may cause the plastic cap to freeze, and the sudden heat from the engine can lead to cracking. A cracked or failing distributor cap can cause engine misfires, rough idling, and hesitation during acceleration. Rough idling is another common symptom of a bad distributor cap. This often occurs due to cracks in the cap housing or burned distributor cap terminals. The terminals are small metal contacts inside the cap that carry high voltage to the spark plugs. Over time, constant exposure to high voltage can cause carbon buildup or even burn the terminals. When this happens, the spark may not reach the correct cylinder, causing the engine to misfire and idle roughly. Shaking or noticeable vibrations can also be a sign of a faulty distributor cap. When the cap is damaged, it may not distribute voltage correctly to the spark plugs, which can disrupt the engine's timing and firing order. This causes the engine to run unevenly, leading to vibrations or shaking that can be felt throughout the vehicle. If you frequently notice shaking while idling or when stopped at a red light, the distributor cap may be the cause. Unusual engine noises can also indicate a bad distributor cap. When the cap is dirty or damaged, the cylinders may try to fire but fail, causing sounds such as tapping, clicking or squealing. These noises often occur because dirt, grease, or other contaminants build up on the distributor cap and interfere with proper spark delivery. As air moves through the engine, a clogged cap can produce unusual sounds. A bad distributor cap can also cause the check engine light to turn on. The engine control unit detects this problem and triggers the warning light on the dashboard. This often happens if the distributor cap is cracked, corroded or distributing voltage unevenly, which disrupts proper firing order and timing. While the check engine light can indicate many problems, seeing it along with symptoms like rough idling or shaking is a strong sign of a distributor problem. By recognizing these symptoms early, you can address distributor cap problems before they lead to more serious engine problems, helping maintain reliable performance and prevent costly repairs.